Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel HelloHelper, and friend, today I'm going to show you very advanced AI text generator. Here you can easily write an email and you can easily make your company profile, and also you can write automatic email for your payment dues. And friend, if you are fan of coding, then in this tutorial I will guide you how to use ChatGPT and generate your codes. So keep watching. In this video I will show you step by step how to use ChatGPT. So friend, now you can see this is my Google browser. So friend, you simply search your ChatGPT and here you will see this Open AI. You simply click on this Open AI. So friend, you will get this interface and here you must log in with your email ID. Okay, what you will do, simply here you can see these are the options, and now we are going to click on this try ChatGPT. Okay, so here I have already created my account, that's why this is going this page. Right now I'm going to show you how you can sign up. You simply click on this Open AI and simply in bottom you will get sign up or something option, or if you're not getting that, you simply search on Google sign up ChatGPT simply. So what happened, you will get this option. You simply going logging option. You can simply, I'm just going to open in incognito mode. So friend, you will get the idea. So here you will get this option. I will give you this URL, so that will be very easy to sign up. So first sign up and then after you can use this tool, right? I will give you this URL into my description, so that will be very easy to handle it. Okay, so now we are on this GTP tool now. So friend, here first of all I want to create an email for business growth. Okay, so what I will do here, I'm going to type very simple language. You can just simply type your question, so that will automatically make an email for you. So here I want to make an email. So here I'm going to I want to make an email for business growth. Okay, and simply press enter. So what happened, this AI tool will generate an email for you. Okay, so this is going right up and give you the idea about what is the business growth. Okay, so you will get all the things. Now friend, you can see this tool is making content for you. Okay, this is 100% pure and very clean content over here. Right now we are going to type something. Here I'm going to write a company profile. Okay, so how I can do that, I just going to show you how you can make company profile. Okay, make company profile for digital marketing agency. Okay, simply press enter. So what happened, this tool will write company profile for you very easily. Okay, here friend, you can see this is the overview content. XYZ is a company name, so you can easily put that name over here, and this tool is automatically making content for you. So now you can see that this is very easy and very professional tool, so you can easily write content for your website or your company profile very easily. You can do that. Okay, this is very advanced tool because here AI is working very high quality methods to organize content and make for you. Okay, so now you can see this AI tool is generated content for me as a company profile. Okay, now here I'm going to show you how you can easily type your email. For example, if you want to collect payment from the customer, due payments, right? So here we can give the command to the AI tool, so that will automatically make content for you. Okay, so now here I'm going to make a payment due email. Okay, so write an email for payment due. Okay, you simply type these things and what happened, you can see that this AI tool is very smart and this is making a pure content for you. This is not gathering content from the online. Here you can see friend, here this is giving me subject reminder payment due on this invoice dear customer. For example, here you can see the client name. You can simply put the client name, right? And here you will see this is a very smart tool which is making payment collection for you. Now you can see that Now friend, you can see this tool has write an email for me. So you can see this is very professional email this tool is giving me. I simply change the details like customer name or client name. You can simply change it. Your invoice number you can put over here, and this your email will ready. So you can do very easily these things, right? So this thing is done now, and now I'm going to show you how you can generate a code. This tool is very smart and it will give you the ready-made code. For example, if I want to write a code for calculator, so friend, here I will show you how you can generate the code. Okay, so here I'm going to give the command to this AI tool. What I will do, please write code, write code for calculator. Okay, so here you will see, please write code for calculator, and simply press enter. So what happened, you will see that. Okay, so this tool is writing code in Python. So you can see this tool is automatically make code for calculator, how calculator works. So this tool is automatically generate code for you. So this is very smart tool, and this is generating code for you. So you can easily put this code into your Python, so this will work for you. Okay, now you can see this logic is created by this AI tool. This is very advanced tool to make code, which you think, just write it down here and all things will done by this AI tool. This is very advanced method to make your work fast and easy. If you want to make content for your client, you can simply put that name and what content you want to write. This is very smart tool which is do the research by their self and give you the right content. I have tested by technical content, but I'm getting very smart content over here. Okay, now I also confirm that content with my clients, and they are asking me very super content you are writing, but they don't know I have given that command to this tool, and this tool is giving me a high quality content for that. So friend, this is very advanced AI text generator tool. Here you can easily make your content good. Okay, and this AI tool will help you and save your time, so you can make money, and also you can save your time from here. Okay, so I hope friend you like this video. If you like this video, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family, so they can also learn about these things, how to use ChatGPT and how to make this type of content over here. Okay, if you like this video, please share with your friends and family, so they can also learn about these things. And if you are coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because we uploading this type of very advanced tutorial over here. So let's see how this tool is making code for us. Okay, so now you can see this tool is making a Python code for me for calculator. Okay, now you can see that. So friend, here you can try this tool and also comment me what things you like into this video, and also what things you done in ChatGPT. Please comment below, so that will make me happy. I have helped you into that. Okay, so friend, if you like this video, then please click on like button and comment what things you like. If maybe you have any query question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.